Hey guys, Terry Brighton here from snowy Wingham, Ontario, and I have another small block Mopar on the engine stand today. This one here is for Troy Gentry out of Taylorsville, Kentucky. It's a 340 block with a 3.58 inch stroke crank. Originally this thing was going to be for a circle car track. I took it to Larry at St Clair Engines to get all the machine work and stuff done to it, and the guy was in quite a hurry, so I got Larry to put the short block together in this thing. And then for some reason the guy decided he didn't want to go racing anymore, so I had this one here, and Troy decided it suited his bill. What I did do to it is I put a Big Muthr Thumpr cam in it. It's the 20-602-4. So he really likes the sound of them, and so do I. The only thing about it, it's a flat tappet cam. Rollers are a little bit better nowadays, but this thing, it sure does sound good. With the Manley rotating assembly, works out to 9.75 to 1 with the Speedmaster heads. And they are the full CNC Speedmaster heads, so it should still perform pretty good. It has the LD340 intake on it, which, you know, it's a pretty darn good intake. I like them, and they work good for me in the past, and that's actually the last one I have in stock. But anyway, I'll put all the build specs in the comments below, just so you can see what's all been done to this, and let's start this up for Troy. Timing set at 35. So there's Troy's 340 stroker, and just a side note here that I didn't mention, the Speedmaster heads were bought bare, CNC machined, and Larry at St Clair Engine, he went through them and got all the parts and set it up for this year cam. So it is all set up for the flat tappet cam. So I can't take full credit of this build, but again, it's between me and Larry at St Clair. It's going to be a good engine for Troy. Thanks for watching.